You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. There are, I believe, different ways of pronouncing it. It's always a bit the confusion. Lesane, I think, is one of them, and Lesane. How do you pronounce it? Are you a Lesane or a Lesane? How would you spell out your name? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.